Hey guys, so welcome back. I have a dog behind me just laying down chilling. That's what that white thing is. So really quick, got a new package from Fuggin Vapors. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I'm not sure if they actually gave me the box that I had last time, but I still have that. Let me show you what that looks like. So just in case I don't have a box this time, which I don't think I do, I'm probably going to end up putting it back into here. This is usually what you get. I'm guessing it's just for first order only or a big order. I got like 6, I think, but regardless, I'm just gonna open the package. Just this handy dandy thing right here. Got my trauma shears from Earmus. Yeah, my boyfriend would like to hear me saying that right now. Cut open the package. And let's get into it. Oh, it's a package inside of the package. I got some stickers. They got newer stickers because before I actually got this one that's sitting on my table behind me. Still trying to figure out what I should do with them, but this one's Fuggin Vapor. Hello, my name is Fuggin Vapor. That's what I got last time. It's the first thing I'm seeing, along with the package of bottles of vape juice. This is Fuggin Vapor. This is the newer one that I got. And then I got Oh My Slush, or Oh My Gush, classic gushy candy. I got the Green Goblin last time, if you guys saw my video. It's that one right there where my finger is. And then there's like descriptions and stuff on the back here of the juices. So if you're interested, I guess you could pause the video just to see. I'm gonna go right into the juices because I basically ran out of my other juices, or I'm next to near nothing for 2 bottles, and I've been vaping menthol for the past week, so I want to get into this because I vape a lot. I have my juices, I think the last time I ordered was November, so that's how fast you could tell. My boyfriend's been vaping off of them too, so he uses my juice a lot because he tends to forget his. Oh yeah, crap, I forgot about those. So I'm just gonna go right into it. Let me set them up. This is the Geeks Blue Raspberry Apple. It's in 3 milligrams of nicotine. That's what it looks like. It's supposed to be, I guess, like the nerds version. That's why they call it Geek. It's a spin-off. Then I have Blue Mango Rounds. I'm pretty sure this is the Blue Raspberry Mango. I'm interested to see what this one's going to taste like because I've never had Blue Raspberry Mango before. Then I got this, the JJ Go Frisco. This is the Mora. Doesn't really give a description, but I pretty much think that this is the Blue Raspberry berry mix type thing. That's what that looks like. All these are in 3 nic, by the way. I'm pretty sure. Then I got this one. This is the Time Bomb Vapors. This is the Fuse. So I'll leave descriptions of what they actually are, what they taste like down below. That's what the bottle looks like. This is 60 ml, the rest should be 120. I like to get 120s because, as you can see, sometimes they don't last very long. And then along with that other Geeks one, I got a strawberry grape. I've never had a strawberry grape concoction. I don't always like to have like straight up grape flavor unless it's like pixie stick grape or a candy flavor, because you know that's the only time to me it tastes good. It's when it tastes like candy. Last but not least, because I do have a Juul, sorry guys, I got the strawberry sea breeze pods, and I got the raspberry menthol pods, or C100. That's the strawberry right there, and then the darker one right here is raspberry menthol. So I have to go and find my Juul charger. I don't know what happened to him. I'm pretty sure my boyfriend took it and he just doesn't want to be honest about it. But regardless, I have my Juul. and I'm probably going to start juuling while I'm at work, and then vaping while I'm doing whatever, or I'll juul while I'm doing lift or something like that, which I might make a video about Lyft. Basically, if you guys don't know what it is, I'm pretty sure everybody does at this point. It's basically a rideshare service where you can sign up as a driver and drive people around in your local area as long as you get approved. They do background checks and all of that. I will say so far really quick that I do like it. You can use, obviously, Lyft, the passenger app, to get rides and whatnot, but just so you know, Lyft does take a portion of the profit. I'm not going to say exactly how much because I don't know. For something like that, you'd probably have to look it up. But, in all news, my vape that I have no clue where it disappeared to because it's always taken off on me. 1 second. So, I've had the X-Fang now since June, so that's about, 6 months, something like that. Maybe a little bit longer, I don't know. I can't keep track of time right now. I've had the X-Fang for just about 6 months. I always change out the tank like every couple of months, and I know it might be an expensive expense. I don't necessarily always need to, but I'm always looking for better coils that'll last longer and taste with better flavor. Right now, I actually went back to smock. Previously, I was using the Fuggin, and now I'm using smock TF V8 Baby V2. And it is in white, although on the camera it's coming up as gray. It's basically what it looks like right there. That is a bubble tank, which means that the middle part actually sticks out compared to just a straight tank. And I actually really like it. I just recently changed out the coil. I think I had my other one for almost 2 weeks before it got really black and I couldn't use it anymore. But that's okay. I got the higher quality coils, which are let's see, does it say it on here what the higher quality coils are? That's what it is. I got the Baby V2A1, which is the 90 to 140, and I got that specifically because I do tend up in my vaping. And at that, it'll last longer if it's made for that, and I currently vaping at 60 because the one that I'm using right now is the 50 to 80 watts, and it says it's best between 65 to 75, so. The juice that I'm currently vaping, and it's actually pretty full, I keep forgetting, but I want to get rid of it. It's kind of like a lemon lime. It is the GI juice, also from Fuggin. By the way, this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. Gotta put it out there nowadays. But this is the GI Juice Jarhead Green Slush. And to me, it doesn't really taste like it's a green slushy. It tastes like it's a lime on the inhale. And on the exhale, it's like a lemon. So, I don't know necessarily if it's green slushy, but yeah. The rest of my bottles that I had, and I got 5, I think, in total, maybe 6. No, it was 5. You'll know if you see my last video. This is the only bottle that I really have left. The other one that I have that's sitting right behind it is the Green Goblin, actually. I have that to show you. So, as you can see, this Green Goblin is literally almost gone. If I could probably get 2 or 3 more days out of that, if that. But it doesn't necessarily taste good by itself. Just like with this one. Maybe if I mix those two, it would taste better. But this one actually tastes more like the green slushy. So I don't know. I honestly don't know. But I will probably end up doing a review on the Juul pods when I get a charger for it. Right now, like I said, I currently don't have one, so as soon as I do, I will get back to you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys liked it, I will keep trying to update if I can every other day or once a week. It's not going to be on a consistent basis. I can't promise that because of my work schedule right now, but I'll try. I'll try and see. And, you know, keep on rocking with whatever hair you have. I currently have mine tucked up because of work. It's all in this nice cap here. it's like a bun right now because I didn't put it up in a ponytail. So what my hair looks like, you can definitely tell the brown roots are growing out. I'm eventually going to be cutting off all this dyed hair right here. And even after like using the box dye hair lightener kit and getting my hair to an orange base and then putting the hair dye directly on, the black hair dye, like a day or two afterwards, my hair it's still pretty healthy, I will say that. Then again, I only did it once because I didn't want to do it twice, and I think, I forget how long I left it on, but regardless, that's not what this video is about. Like I said, like, subscribe, and comment. Keep on rocking with whatever hair you have, and I will see you later, guys. Bye!